Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make After Effects text on Capcut. So without further ado, let's get right on to it. So first things first, we need to add a black background here on our video and just resize it to the format. So you can also edit the format of your edits here once you've first started the edit. So you just have to choose your format, and after that, let's add the text. So make sure not holding anything. Let's go over and tap on text here at the bottom, add text, and let's enter a random text. And it's a style. On the style, let's change the style to however you want. And let's change the font. Okay, this is good. So let's just resize it to whatever we want. And after that, you just have to go over and align the layer to the top. Once that's done, we need to export this. So let's just export this. And just wait for that. Done. And once you're done with that, let's add the one that we exported. Once added, so let's delete the one that we've created earlier. So okay, so once that's done, let's go over and add this particular video. So don't worry guys, I will link this to the description so you can download this. So basically it's this that will trigger the effect of the After Effects. So you just have to resize it to your resolution, and let's choose a color. So let's choose this blue one. So let's just split that here. Let's delete this one, split again. So make sure you are selecting the layer. So there, delete, and let's head this to overlay. So choose the one that we've exported earlier, and go over and find the overlay here. So choose overlay, and go ahead and move the text here at the bottom. So just align this effect to the ones that we exported right there. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and select the overlay layer and make sure to select the cutout here and go ahead and select chroma key. Once you are over here, just have to go over and head to color picker and make sure that the circle one here is selected to the black ones on the video. So go over to intensity and make sure it is 100, shadow 100, check mark. Sure it is 100 right there, check. And as you can see, we've now created the effect, and let's just export this once again. Okay, so wait for it to export. Over back, and let's just delete all of this. So let's add it first. Okay, so let's just delete all of this. Okay, so once that's done, we go ahead and add the effect that we need. So go over and add an effects here, video effects, and make sure under lens you select edge glow here, find edge glow right there, and just adjust that to your liking. Okay, so once that's done, let's go to check mark and let's add another effect again. So make sure you're not holding anything whenever you select the effects so that you can have the effects selected. So go ahead and search for distortion, under distortion, ripple distortion, and just adjust this to your liking. So once that's done, you just have to check mark, and let's see the final product. As you can see there, the After Effects text is now completed, and you can now export this. So okay guys, that is all for the video today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.